welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tasha. Today I'm doing a really fun video. Basically, I'm showing you how I got ready for my college graduation, which sounds so crazy. I can't believe I'm graduated. If you guys are new to my channel, I just graduated from USC. I actually partnered with IGK Hair on this video to show you guys how I got graduation ready and how I got my hair graduation ready and this really nice icy blonde color that you guys are always asking me about. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I did my makeup, my hair, and where I got my dress for graduation, as well as my shoes and everything, stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, so my first step is to shower and brush out my hair just because I obviously want to be fresh before graduation and I want to make sure my hair isn't greasy or anything like that. I'm always getting questions from you guys about what products I use on my hair in the shower or post shower, and to be totally honest with you, I switch it up a lot just kind of for fun. But recently I've been trying out some IGK products and I really like them. My hair just brushed out so easily and that never happens. So I want to show you guys what I've been using. So I have their Bad and Bougie shampoo and conditioners. This is what they look like. Sorry, I'm like juggling them in my hands. They look like this. So I just used the shampoo and I have been using the conditioner, but actually today I just used their expensive Amla Oil High Shine Top Coat, and I feel like this is kind of like a deep conditioner mask sort of vibe, and my hair brushed out so easily. It felt so soft in the shower. Love these, but what I'm really excited to show you is their Mixed Feelings Leave-In Blonde Toning Drops. You guys probably know that I love my hair to be a super icy blonde. I don't want brassiness. Not about that life. I'm always looking for new products to kind of cancel out brass in your hair. IGK has this product and they're literally little purple drops that you can put into your other hair products and they instantly tone your hair. It's insane. I love them. So I'm going to use them today and show you guys how they work. But this is the IGK Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. So I've been using these drops with the leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little drop of the leave-in conditioner in my hand. And then with the drops, you literally just tilt this upside down and press the bottom. And the more drops you put in, the more intense the effect. So I'm just gonna do like 4. So once I have the drops, I just kind of mix the product together in my hands. As you can see, it gets kind of purpley, and then I just run it throughout my hair. I just think this is so cool because it's like an instant effect, whereas if you're just using like a purple shampoo and conditioner, sometimes it takes a little bit for you to notice, but this one is great and you can seriously add in as many drops as you want. You can also put it in your shampoo and conditioner in the shower, and I've genuinely never seen a product like this before. Also, since I've been using those little drops, my hair has been so soft. The combination of those with the leave-in conditioner is insane. My friend felt my hair the other night randomly and she was like, oh my gosh, your hair's so soft. I will be linking all these hair products down below if you guys are interested in trying them. I definitely recommend the Mixed Feelings drops if you are a blonde for sure, and then all the other products are amazing as well. So I'm going to let my hair kind of air dry while I do my makeup, and then if it's still wet, which it definitely will be after my makeup, then I will dry it. Okay, so I took a quick break and went to get a coffee from Starbucks, but it's literally dripping all over. Do you guys ever have that happen where it just drips off the lid all over and it's a mess? So anyways, my hair is a little bit drier, but I'm going to start with my makeup right now. Of course, I got a nice pimple up here for today, which is great. I want to keep my makeup pretty simple and natural, so I'm going to do, I guess, kind of what I typically do and just keep it pretty clean and fresh. First step of when I do my makeup is just to apply a primer, so I'm going to do that. I'm also looking so pale right now. Oh my gosh, I'm going to tell myself it's like the lighting, but probably not. I never used to use primer, but I found that my concealer goes on and blends in a lot better when I use primer, so I've been using it a lot more lately. Okay, I'm gonna take my concealer and just put it underneath my eyes, and then I always put a little bit in between my eyebrows. I'm gonna put some on that pimple, and then a little on my nose and on my chin, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Okay, so once my face is concealed, I am just going to set everything with a powder. If you guys have seen my Get Ready With Me before, I don't use foundation. I don't like how it looks on my skin, so this is pretty much all I do in terms of skin coverage. Okay guys, next step is eyebrows. I have started doing something different with my eyebrows. I used to do like the front part with a pencil and then the outside part with like a pomade, but I've recently just been using a pencil on my whole eyebrow, and I think it looks a lot more natural, especially with me having such light hair. It does use the pencil a lot faster, but I like how it looks a lot more. Before I do my eyebrows, I always just brush them up and out with the little spoolie. I need to get up close to a mirror to do my eyebrows, but I basically just like draw a straight line up here and then fill them out. So I'll come back post eyebrows. I literally feel like a whole new woman once I have eyebrows on. But you guys can see this just looks a lot more natural than if I were to use a pomade. I really like it. So I kind of just spoolie them out. And then the real finishing touch is adding a brow gel. I use a clear mascara and it just really sets them into place and makes them look a lot better in my opinion. So I kind of just work them into the shape that I want them with the gel. Alrighty, so once eyebrows are done, I am going to put on a little bit of eyeshadow. I actually think I'm just going to use one of my highlighters as an eyeshadow. I do this a lot, just, I don't know, I think it's a pretty color and I like when it kind of like ties in to my skin. So I'm just gonna put the highlighter on my lids. And then I will take a lighter color and just kind of highlight under my eyebrow as well as my inner corner just to add a little something. So once the eyeshadow is done, it's time for me to apply eyeliner. I think I'm just going to do a dark brown on my upper lash line just because it's pretty natural looking, I guess. I don't really want to do a harsh black for graduation. So I'm just going to apply some of this on my upper lash line. Can't really do this on camera, don't really want to mess it up. So I'm going to do it off camera and then come back. Once my eyeliner is on, I'm just going to put on a bunch of mascara. So many of my friends got lash extensions for graduation, but I don't know. I get too obsessive about how they look when I get them. So if any of them start to fall off, I literally rip them out of my eyes. Let me know if you can relate. But I just like to put on a lot of mascara, you know? Once my mascara is done, we are on the home stretch. So I'm just going to apply some blush and highlighter next. I just apply the blush to the apples of my cheeks. I love looking super glowy, so I'm going to put on a good amount of highlighter to my cheekbones and then the tip of my nose. I'm going to set the makeup because graduation is so long and I need it to stay. And then to finish off the look, I'm just going to add a little bit of a clear lip gloss. I don't really like the feeling of anything on my lips unless it's chapstick or like a sheer gloss, so that's what I do. So this is the graduation makeup. This is basically what I wear on a day-to-day basis anyway. I think it's really natural, but it still enhances my features and whatnot. So it's now time to tackle my hair. It's definitely not dry, so I think I'm gonna blow dry the rest of it and then I'll come back and see where we're at. Okay, so I just finished up drying my hair and the next step is to curl it. I like doing kind of loose curls when I have events, and I always just use a 1-inch curling wand and curl away from my face. I'm probably not going to show you guys me curling my hair just because I've done it in a bunch of videos, but literally just curl it with a 1-inch away from my face. So once I do that, I will come back. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like freshly curled, and what I like to do is just kind of finger comb it just to kind of loosen them up and blend them all together more. And these definitely do fall during the day, so I do always like to have them a little bit tighter when I first do it, and then they always fall into like a nice loose wave. So now that my hair and makeup is finally done, it's time to change into my outfit and my cap and gown and everything. This feels so weird. Yeah, let's get dressed. This is the dress that I'm wearing. I got it from Revolve. I'll link it down below if it's still in stock, but obviously my cap, and then I'm wearing these little shoes from Steve Madden. I wore taller ones for my grad photos, but I'm gonna be walking a lot, and then I'll show you later on when I'm wearing the whole thing. Okay, so this is the final product. I have my lei, I have my little sash and the robe. And yeah, try it on.
Left. Column A is entering the northwest corner, including degree candidates from the School of Architecture, the Saul Price.
So that is everything. Graduation was long but good. It honestly was kind of rainy, which was weird for LA. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below and feel free to subscribe if you like my videos and you haven't subscribed already. Okay, as always, I love you guys. Bye!